Kenda Crusade tire. 1,000 kilometers ridden in a mixed asphalt field cycle. The tire is very soft. It becomes impossible to ride on the field after the first 200 kilometers. Every ride ends with a flat, and no sealant or anti-flat fix works. This tire can get popped by anything, and we'll find out what does it. We're starting with a matchstick. Thankfully, it didn't pop the tire. Next up is a toothpick. We got a flat. That wasn't hard at all. Next, we'll try a syringe needle. No surprise, it pops the tire super easily. Next, a big screw. It didn't fully pierce the tire, but if there was an inflated tube inside, it'd be toast. Now let's try a knife. A little effort, and the tire's sliced. Now let's use a serrated knife to cut the tire in half and check out the cord inside. Slicing the tire was no big deal. Only the rim bead's holding tough. Looks like the cord's just there. Time to hit the cord with sharp wire cutters. Pretty strong, can't cut it. But problem is, there's no cord where it's supposed to be for puncture protection. If you're riding on nice asphalt, it's a sharp-looking tire, but for off-road, totally useless.